Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include iPod adapter, rear view camera, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.